What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Break NL, getting ready for release day clear-cut early bird break. We're at it early here on the East Coast. It's break 2,885. And here's your teams. Cody, Toronto. Andy is San Jose. Randy, LA. Blake is Dallas. David is Calgary. Mark, New Jersey. Liam, Montreal. Bobby, Chicago. Slaney, St. Louis. Corey, Tampa Bay. Shane, Winnipeg. Johnny, Pittsburgh. David, Ottawa. Dave, Minnesota. John, Anaheim, Vegas. Shane's Edmonton. Charlie, Florida. Michael, Nashville. Johnny, Carolina. Kurt, Buffalo. Nathan, Columbus. Randy, Islanders. Brad, Philly. Grenfell, Vancouver. Johnny, Detroit. Christopher, Boston. Jason, Arizona. Johnny, Washington. Greg, Colorado. And Chris is Rangers. All right, there's your teams. Let's get it. One-on-one player guess all day. $100 break credit on the line. Let me get a knife to bust this bad boy open. This is a 30-box case. We're doing 15, so we'll crack it open. Do half it. First look at it. I was gonna crack a box and put a video up on YouTube, but I ran out of time. So we'll go 1, 2, 3 on the dice roll will get us the top box, and 4, 5, 6 will get us the bottom box. 1, 2, 3. Top box is ours. Top case. Okay, that one's ours. And this other one's going to be put away. I'll write on it. This is going to be to pick your team for the night. Pick your team 2886. Here's your 15 boxer. All right, there you have it. Move this back in. Wicked. Morning coffee and breaks goes hand in hand, no doubt. You know what also goes hand in hand? Nice. 725, Matt Murray. Starting us off for Pittsburgh. I was going to say football breaks. Marcus coming up very, very soon. 725, Matt Murray. That's a canvas signature. Store's open in 20 minutes. The stuff's on the shelf. Anybody who's interested in the box. We got San Jose. Rookie. Latunov. Look how that one came out. There we go. Sometimes they come out of their holders. That one was almost popping on the side. San Jose, let me bring this camera down one sec. Alright. Anybody come to the store, I won't be in store. My buddy's helping me out today. Thank God. Brady Kachuk, Ottawa. I'll be in and out of the store today, but I'll be breaking the night. There's a bunch of case breaks tonight. One posted in full, and two other cases being posted. Ottawa Senators, Brady Kachuk. We got the Maple Leafs rookie, Barbarena. Leafs. Pittsburgh was, let's give him some call-outs here. Pittsburgh was Johnny. This break's not going to take too long with only a hit per box. San Jose is Andy. Toronto is Cody, first name on the list, and Brady Kachuk. Ottawa is David. Cool. Twisted Tinsel. Washington Capitals rookie, Vanacek. This is not a dream, Corey Moore. This is not a dream, sir. This is real. Slaney, it is 139, my friend. Carter Hart. Nice looking card. Barely see that numbering, but sharp looking autograph for sure. Carter Hart, Philadelphia. Barely see that number in 23/79, but nice looking card there. Canvas. The canvases always look good when they're signed. The Matt Murray look good too. Philly. So 2 more cases being posted of this stuff later tonight. One is already full. 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock, somewhere around there tonight. We got the Nuge, another canvas. This one is not numbered. First 2 were Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Edmonton. Edmonton Shane. And Philly was Brad. Nice cards. We're about halfway through. Yeah, I'll be in and out of the store today, so if I catch anybody here, good luck with your in-store mojo on the clear cut. Kiefer Bellows, anybody interested in a rip and ship, I'll wait till a little bit later today to do it just to make sure I got enough boxes. Don't want to undersell it or oversell it. Kiefer Bellows, New York Islanders, that's from Champs. Ooh. I think I'll have to come back and see that one in a second. You know what that means. The move is going good, man. Today's the last day of it, which I'm super happy about. Pius Sutter. I like this card, though. Exquisite Rookies. Looking sharp. 49/49. Chicago got a big checklist in this stuff, too. Yeah, the move's going good. Today's the last day, so John Tucker's going to work in store for me for a little bit. Movers are going to be at the house in an hour. Should be fun. Been a hectic week, man. Chicago, Ian Mitchell. Talked about Chicago having a big checklist. Ian Mitchell, rookie. Blackhawks. Back to back. We got our first redemption. That means there's 2 hits in 1 box. Damn, nice card. Green, clear cut Champs. So same card as the Bellows. Green auto. Numbered to 25 for Buffalo, Dylan Cousins. Bet you that'll be a sharp looking card with the green auto. 25, and on the back, we got Hoglander. On canvas, rookie debut. So you get the 1 autograph plus the rookie card when you get a redemption. I said I've been doing it for clear cut the last few years. Keeping it up. We got 4 left. There's a nice card there. I didn't see if it was numbered, but looked like a big card to me. Champs again. Pius Sutter. Blackhawks getting their hits in. To 15, we got an exclusive Brad Marchand. Boston Bruins. Boston Bruins got a nice little checklist for the price, too. Good bang for your buck. I'll kill you, Corey Moore. I'm on tape of saying it now, but I will do it. Don't tempt me. I saw that video not too long ago when I was cleaning up my computer, and I was still laughing to myself. We got Vegas Mark Stone. Anything for you, I'm not open. All right, check this one out. Let's see what it's number 2. Damn. We got Lafreniere NHL Memoirs. It looks like my 7-year-old cousin printed it, but nice card. Rangers, last one in the box. Last one in the case, sorry. Not numbered. That's a new set I guess they have in this year. Nice. Chris Griffiths. Chris has been killing the release days, man. Last 3 or 4 release days been on fire. Don't think I didn't notice. Good stuff. Congrats, man. There we go. That's it, guys. That's what a 15-box case looks like. We got the other side of the case. I just put it here on the floor. I did write on it, didn't I? Yeah, very, very faintly. I did write on it, but that's the one that's going to be happening tonight. So that's PYT later tonight. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you a little bit later. Check out the breaks. They'll be posted throughout the day. I can't really tell you what time. I got a busy day ahead of me, but my friend John's going to be in store doing the clear cut. Anybody who's interested, check out a box. Thanks again. Don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.